Welcome back, dear children, to the video class. Today from chapter 3, we shall discuss the topic how to estimate sum, difference or product of two numbers by rounding off the numbers to nearest 10, 100 or 1000. So to know this, let's pick up three examples. First example is sum, finding the sum by rounding to nearest 10. Second example is finding the difference by rounding to nearest 100. And third one, finding the product or estimating the product by rounding to nearest 1000. So let's pick up the first one. To estimate the sum, first we shall round off the two given numbers to nearest 10. So let's round off. Let's round off 74. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. So rounding to nearest 10, we shall see the digit in 1's place. The digit in 1's place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So if the number to be rounded is less than 5, then we shall replace this by 0. That means 74 becomes 70. And second number. We also will examine this digit, the digit in 1's place, which is not less than 5. If the digit is not less than 5, then 1 will be added to the next digit. That is, it becomes 3, and this will become 0. That it becomes 30. So after rounding, 74 becomes 70. And 26 become 30. That is, the estimated sum is 100. So this is how to find this estimated sum by rounding to nearest 10. And let's pick up the second example. We have to estimate the difference by rounding the numbers to nearest 100. So let's round the two numbers to nearest 100. This is 1's place, this is 10's, this is 100. So nearest 100 means we shall examine the digit in 10's place. This digit is not less than 5. Then, if it is not less than 5, we shall add 1 to the next digit, to the left side digit. That means it becomes 3. And others will be replaced by 0. 0. So it becomes 300 after rounding off to nearest 100. Then come to the second number. 1's, 10, 100. Here also, we will examine the digit on the 10's place. The digit in 10's place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So, nothing will be added here. So, 1 as it is bring down and others replaced by 0, 0. So, after rounding, you will get 100. So the estimated difference of 257 and 124 becomes 300 minus 100. That is 200. This is how to find the difference of two numbers by rounding off the numbers to nearest 100. Now we have to estimate the product of these two numbers by rounding the two numbers to nearest 1000. So before finding the estimated product, we have to round off the two numbers to nearest 1000. 2, 4, 6, 8. Write the places 1, 10, 100, 1000. So to round off this number to nearest 1000, we will see the digit under hundreds place, which is 4. So this is less than 5. So no addition will be there. 2 will come down and others will be replaced by 0, 0, 0. So after rounding, you will get 2000. Then come to the next number, 3, 6, 7, 2. So write the places 1, 10, 100, 1000. Here nearest 1000, that is 100. We'll see the digit under hundreds place, which is 6. So this is not less than 5. Then we shall add up 1 here. Then it becomes 4. Others replaced by 0, 0. So after rounding off 3, 6, 7, 2, you will get 4, 0, 0. That is 4000. So the estimated product of the two numbers is 2000 into, that is 80 lakh will be the estimated product of 2468 and 3672. So these are the process how to find the sum, difference or product of two numbers by rounding up to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So for today, let's wind up here and remaining topic in the next video class. Thank you, children.